Okay, guys, this is about the side of the tiny house. We can see about the exterior with raw wood and industrial material over there, and it has leveling of this supporting system on the ground, and the length of this tiny house around 9.3 and 4.3 meter. 9.3 and 4.3 meter for the wide, and we can see about the exterior. It's so simple, but it's so aesthetic enough. And this is about the lakeside in here, and for the access, this is for the behind of this house anyway, and this is for the entrance access. It has several staircase over there. Then we can look for the interior inside. We can start from the entrance. Okay, we can look for the entrance appearance, and we can see for the interior. Okay, this is for interior for the tiny house itself. It has some several room. This is about the simple and compact kitchen, and the several cabinet of the kitchen, and with backside of the raw wood material. It's look industrial, but it's look cozy and charming texture appearance over there. And this is about the dining table over there. The dining table dimension around the 1 meter, and for the length around 2.3 meter, with two seat for capacity, and maybe it could add more capacity of the seat. And for the guest room or living room over there, it has some leveling. It has a distinction of the leveling for the ground floor and the split level over there. It's around 45 centimeter for the different level over there. And this is about the living room anyway. It's so cozy, and we can see about the large window over there. It's to see for the environment of the lake scenery over there. And this is for the living room. You can see about the um, atmosphere of the living room itself, and we can see look around for the mezzanine. We can look for the mezzanine and loft bed over there. It has some small function of the mezzanine with hanging table over there. It's so unique idea anyway. It's so unique idea because it could make the effective and efficient of the room space anyway. So the space could be useful enough, and we can see about a separation, room separation between the table, the linear table, and the bedroom. It has small partition with shelf. That's why it could be functional purpose over there. Um, we can look for the interior of this bedroom. It's so simple, comfy, and it has several function. And this is for the wardrobe anyway. This is for the wardrobe, and this is for the dressing table over there. This just small dressing table, but it's so useful for this small little lakeside house anyway. Then it has cornering window over there with transparent material over the cornering window over there. And this is about the ceiling of this house. The position of the ceiling are following the roof inclination or roof sloping anyway. So we can look for um, the another room. Maybe we can look for the bathroom over there on the bottom floor over there. This is for the bathroom. It has luxurious small bathroom, but it has wastafel. It has wastafel mirror, and it has industrial exposed faucet over there. So it could be more impressive vibes over there. And this is for the uh, bathtub over there. This is for the bathtub. This is for the closet area over there, and this is for the industrial pipe and industrial shower anyway. Okay, and this is has cornering window also, same as the another room such as the living room and the loft bedroom over there. Okay, thanks for watching. Maybe you can leave the comment for the question anyway. And this is about my review of this lakeside tiny house design. It was amazing anyway, and maybe I hope it will be inspired to all of you. I hope it will be the insight to all of you that you are looking for the inspiration of the tiny house design or small house design as you want anyway. So it could be useful for your building or for your new building or for your consideration before you buy the tiny house or you before you buy small house in your country anyway. Okay, thanks for watching and just wait for my next video review in my channel. Thank you.